So coming to lie comfortably, bending the knees if that feels good. Finding those lovely long, slow, deep breaths in and out. An awareness of the breath. Being shared by all humanity. Breathing in life force and vitality as we inhale together. Releasing all that no longer serves us, that's no longer needed as we exhale. And you might like to become aware of your loved ones, your friends and family, and think of them also sharing your inhale and your exhale. How that unites us beyond all division, all separation, all isolation, the breath shared by all, no matter what. Think wider now. Think of everyone you don't know in your community, your village, your city, your country, the world. Imagine everyone just coming to a moment of connection to their breath, wherever they stand, wherever they lie, wherever they are. Whoever they are, imagine the whole world taking a moment to breathe mindfully in and breathe mindfully out. Imagine everyone around the world just taking a few minutes to stop and to pause. To be aware of our connected, united breath. Imagine the peace, the silence, the stillness that would exist on the planet just for those moments. Try and imagine it. Visualize it, feel it. How would it feel to know that all the billions of people on the planet were breathing with you now, aware of their breath? Imagine the peace. Imagine the simplicity. It isn't far-fetched, because we all breathe every moment of every day, every night. We breathe together. We breathe in unison. We breathe beyond all boundaries. So feeling connected to your fellow man and woman. as you connect to your breath. And feel that beneath you lies Mother Earth, and that she is breathing in unison too. Feel the peace that exists beneath us, the peace that is Mother Earth, Gaia, our living, breathing planet, our home. And then slowly and gently bring your awareness back fully to your inhale and exhale, how it feels in your body to breathe, the movement the breath creates. And start to bring movement into your fingers and into your toes. Hug the knees into the chest just to help your body to reawaken. And as you start to move and come back, keep that breath awareness with you, and perhaps have an intention to keep it with you throughout the day. And wherever you are, wherever you go, whenever you come into contact with others, just again take a moment to remember we share the same breath. Feel that there is no separation, no matter what. That human being in front of you shares your breath. So you may want to roll to the side now and just take a moment there. Use the right arm as a pillow. And then slowly, gently come up to sit. Namaste.